Alright, I don't usually do these kind of videos, but today I am. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I have a kit. I have a kit that I keep in my pocket because I wear cargo pants. Of course, some of you guys that carry a purse, you guys could probably put this in your purse. But anyways, in my kit, I carry ibuprofen, antacid, acetaminophen, which is Tylenol, whatever the hell that is right there. It's good for something. And then a diamode. That's good for diarrhea. So, a media light. And I know what this is for, but because I'm old and blind, I don't know. But it's good to have. Okay? Neosporin, this little pump container. You just kind of like clean it up, right? And then, of course, some first aid cream for burns and other reasons, and then an assortment of band-aids. We got finger band-aids, we have knuckle band-aids, finger band-aids, band-aids, just different sizes of band-aids, because you need to have some way. Now, this is a boo-boo kit. This is what a lot of people would call a boo-boo kit. This is a cut, scrape, burn, whatever. This is not a stop the bleeding kit. If you want to learn about those, go to skinnymedic.com. In this side of my kit, I keep some string, a sewing needle. Yes, I know how to sew. I keep a toothpick. I keep a little tin that's got ibuprofen. What do you call that stuff to stop your butthole from pooping? That stuff, Imodium AD. I have a Dramamine, right? So we have that. I have a lighter. This is a little tiny lighter that is actually sealed, and once you put your fluid in it, it will not evaporate because it's sealed with O-ring. Works great. Then we have these little matches that these sumbitches right here, wet, dry, muddy, sticky, whatever, these things right here will light, and I have a little piece of sandpaper that will allow them to light from wherever I'm at. They are not strike anywhere. They need a piece of sandpaper. In this little pack right here, there's a Fresnel Lens, which is good for starting fire with the sun if you need to start a fire, and then a little needle, and that's it. So this little Fresnel lens right here is good for magnification. You know, if you're trying to treat a wound, it's nice to have that. And then save that for a little bit later. Then we have an assortment of safety pins, which work awesome. We were actually on the boat one day, and one of Lindsay's friends' bikini broke, and boom, it was there. I was there. I had it covered. Quarters, I think there's 3. Not that there's any such thing as a freaking payphone nowadays, but you never know. Pay a toll. I don't know. Little flashlight. This is a little O light. I keep the little plastic thing in there to stop it from working, and so that way the battery will last like basically forever, because it won't accidentally turn on. More safety pins. I think that's about it. The quarter. So 75 cents in quarters. So basically, literally, like I said, I keep this in my pocket every single day because I wear cargo pants. Some of you guys that carry purses, you can carry that in your purse. I don't carry a fucking purse. So, save this for last. This is a Victorinox, which is like Swiss Army knife shit. So, a little pair of scissors, which is awesome. You never know when you need scissors. A little blade, which is literally razor sharp. And on this end, we have, if I can get it out, that is a straight pen, which is great for pulling out ticks, splinters, whatever in the hell you need it for. And this is a little nail file, plus a tiny screwdriver, which is definitely a good thing to have, especially nowadays with all the electronics. We have a little pair of tweezers, badass. A plastic toothpick, which is great to pick your teeth. And this little pen, this is badass. We were actually at a riding station in the Ocala National Forest, and nobody had a pen. We all had money, but we didn't have a pen to fill out the card so we could legally ride. I pulled this out of my pocket. Boom, we had a pen. We filled it out. Life is good. Sounds like ACOG 45. Anyways, guys, I carry this with me everywhere I go. Whether I'm at work, at home, at play, whatever I'm doing, I carry this depending on where I'm at. If I'm in my four-wheeler, I have another bag that goes along with this. I have trauma kits. I have in my truck, I have a trauma kit. I have food. I have everything. Alright, look, cat's out of the bag. I'm a prepper. When all this COVID-19 shit happened, guess who wasn't scared? Me. So anyways, get you one of these little things if you want. They're cheap. Buy some stuff, put it inside, share it with your friends, because most of the stuff you're going to buy is in large quantities. But you will, oh, this little Leatherman right here. This is so cool. Because I'm an electrician, this is a wire stripper and a little pair of pliers. And of course, whenever it's in its closed position, there's a blade, obviously. I don't know what's all in here. Looks like a little file. Then little screwdrivers and stuff. So, you know, just little stuff that will help you along. I mean, I guarantee you, all of you guys have said at one point in your life, I wish I had a whatever. At that exact moment, you didn't have it, but you could. And for $20, you got everything you need. So, I hope you guys found this entertaining. Probably not entertaining, because I really wasn't being very funny. But I hope you found it useful. But this is definitely something that you should carry with you. Oh, one thing I didn't show. I have some Stop the Sting little packets that haven't been delivered yet. In my big backpack, I have a big pen, you know, that does all that stuff for you. But I realized I don't always have that backpack. But I always have this little kit. So, just trying to help you guys out, because I love you, and I want you to be happy.